Nah, bro, that's actually fire, bro. You can't even like see how good it looks like on the camera either. That's crazy. Nah, that's gonna go stupid, bro. I'm not gonna cap. That's gonna go stupid. Nah, bro. I gotta get with you, Brian. I gotta get with you. I ain't gonna lie. That's what's up. How much is that gun right there?
It's like $50.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that joint go crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Damn, but that shit shining off the damn joint. That's crazy, bro. Man, sometimes tough. Oh shit. He pulled that thing out. Damn. Damn. But that joint go crazy. Josh, who that joint don't go crazy, bro?
Crazy.
God damn.
It look nice. That look so
Oh my goodness. Oh shit. Bro.
Look like you see all that?
Yeah, bro, it's nice, bro. Isn't it crazy?
Yeah, you did it on purpose? Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yo, that joint goes fucking stupid.
Hump was bothering you.
What, the hump?
Yeah,
Damn, that joint go crazy. That's OC. That's crazy. It's got like 3 more screws left.
Josh, we can pull up.
The new spoiler. Dog shit. Well, Ernest just got a wash. We gonna make his wheels black though today. We gonna make his wheels black. Desmundo. Damn, when you watch this, Desmond, you gonna be sick, boy. That boy out of town, but he gonna come back strong. Yeah, he got the parts on the way. Yeah, that man Desmond. Yeah, I gotta get a good view of his car. I'm gonna wait for the man himself to come outside. I'm gonna take this spare out so we can do more wheels at a time. And it will be good. Haha, that boy Ernest. Yeah. I already got my intro in and all that, you know what I'm saying?
You already know.
Yeah, got started. Just gotta find that bottom piece, that's all. Yeah, I don't think you ready, bro. Bro, start that thing real quick, bro. God damn, boy. That joint go stupid. Yeah, that joint go crazy. That's good, honey.
You doing good?
Yeah, we good. It's enough space.
Say less.
This is the joint you was talking about right here?
Yeah.
Is that thing on the ground yet?
I'm gonna get a hood. The hood I'm gonna get's gonna be like yours, but I think I'm gonna have two. I'm gonna get a coil intake.
You gonna get all that?
Yeah, all that shit. I just can't wait to get this chrome done. Let me wash that motherfucker first.
Yeah, how you want to do it? Got water. You got a hose?
Yeah.
That's perfect.
So we could just go out.
And I got rags in here. I ain't gonna lie, I wish I had that, bruh.
What?
You got it all over here, bruh. I ain't had a hose when I did mine. Yeah, yours gonna turn.
I
ain't gonna lie, yours gonna turn out a little better. I ain't gonna lie. Right now, we got the spare on there. You know what I'm saying? Some temporary stuff. Cause we want to spray them all down. Oh, what happened? What happened?
Motherfucker just hit me. Put it down, it came back my way.
And you did the other one too?
I'm about to get to that.
Yeah, I ain't
I
gonna.
wanted to get both of them at the same time and put all the cards in at the same time for both of them.
Right.
I might throw this on the board though.
Oh, you about to throw that on the board? Yeah. That joint go crazy, bro. I'm trying to tell you, when we done, that joint gonna be crazy, bro.
Like, this drum was already sweet with me.
Don't it?
I'll probably get 2 more of these jokes.
Yeah, that shit go
I
crazy.
have to put them jokes on for fun one day.
Right. Boy, got his mufflers deleted. All right, now it's the time of truth, man. This shit about to get crazy. This shit about to get crazy, I ain't gonna lie. You making some progress. Some good progress.
Good drum look. Drum look tough as yellow.
Yeah, I was thinking about that.
Because for some reason, that little yellow drum right there.
Yeah.
At first, I thought it was your caliber. But I was burned out. I had to really look at some shit.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Yellow go crazy. Yellow or like orange or
Yeah,
something.
that'd be tough.
Yeah. Yellow or orange calibers. Let me know in the comments. Yellow or orange calibers. I don't know. What color you gonna do, Ernest? Red?
I'll probably do like a red, orange. I ain't gonna lie, I fuck with orange too. I seen a dude get an all black Chrysler. He had a stripe. He had a big stripe right here. The stripe was
You say he had a stripe in the middle?
yeah, it was a stripe right here.
Oh shit.
This one was it was yellow, I think.
Oh, I see.
That one was tough though. Alright, bro.
What you waiting on? Moment of truth. You know what I'm saying? Do one light, one light joint. You feel me? Not too hard. Like, keep a good distance. Like, a good, like, right here.
Where my phone at though? I'm trying to, bro, I'm scared, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, them joints gonna come out clean, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, I see what you said about the hellcat jump.
Yeah.
I seen a video, I seen a picture of them jumps. They kind of look like.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, that shit go crazy, bro. We did the first coat. Right now it's looking alright. Some little dots and stuff, but after we do like 3-4 more coats, we'll be good. Yeah, sir. We're gonna do Desmond coats too. That boy Desmond, he went out of town, so when he get back, we're gonna have to do him nice. Yeah, his wheels is like kind of dirty. I'm not trying to expose them, but yeah, we're gonna make his joints black. See, Desmond's gonna smack harder because he got like a star shape, so that shit gonna smack harder. Oh God, it's gonna smack harder. Shout out to the boy Desmond. That shit about to look clean, Ernest. Ha. I can't lie, that shit about to go dumb. My goodness. Man, these ones look crazy. Nice. Nice as shit. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, them ones look fucking crazy.
You ready to do this one?
Yeah.
It's 411.
You want to spray that one more time? Just lightly?
What, the color with the,
Yeah. Yeah, we making progress. I'll let y'all know when we get to the end, when we all complete. Simple as that. What tire do you want to go on that jump? You want this one or that one?
Shit don't matter.
I feel like this one's more dry.
Yeah, do that one.
Do this one. Bring this to your face. You excited, Ernest? You excited?
Well, definitely.
Hopefully that should be good. Yeah, you want to just stand right there.
Damn, you can see the reflection of this mob. We're gonna be done before it's 4:23. We should be done before 6 o'clock.
Fuck. Kill myself. Damn. That shit go crazy. I ain't gonna lie, Ernest. That shit go dumb. And we did the logo. What you talking about? What you talking about? Came out pretty good. We gotta put the caps back in. And we doing that last wheel. Gotta make sure it's perfect. And then we locked in. This one we gotta put the cap back on, but yeah, these ones came out nice. Yeah. Alright, y'all boys, I don't know if y'all ready for this one. We just finished, Ernest. Yeah, so that boy geeked.
Hey, record off my start my shit.
Alright, man, let me get a little full 360 real quick. Yeah, I see what we working with. Yeah, it's a whole new car now. This is what we do. You know what I'm saying? That's what we do. Dang, look how good that is. That boy mad aggressive now. God. Oh, Jesus. That boy Ernest. God damn, boy.
If you owe me, Ben, I sing my song. Oh. If you phony, Ben, I sing my song. Oh.
Ever doubt me, Ben, I sing